sur le tas, dans le bateau. Il fait beau, le temps est au rendez-vous. Et on vient de Nouméa. Je viens directement, je vais pas dire je viens de la maison. Je vais vous dire la vérité, je viens de boîte là. J'étais en boîte et puis voilà. Je suis arrivé en jean, bien dégueulasse ici. Mais bon, c'est ça les délires qu'on aime, les trucs qui s'enchaînent et tout. Super quoi. Bon là je dis n'importe quoi mais bon voilà. Je suis tout seul dans le bateau mais tu vois. Arrivé là-bas je vais pas me mouiller les pieds quoi. C'est eux qui vont descendre le bateau et je vais rester là. Mais bon, je vous fais à tous de gros bisous. C'était sympa de papoter avec vous. Toi qui me regardes, oui toi. Oui toi. J'espère que tu apprécieras les vidéos de cette journée. Parce que voilà. C'est dans le cœur quoi. C'est dans le cœur. Et puis voilà. Gros bisous Zoubi. Puis à tout à l'heure pour un nouveau podcast.
Everybody to the Wild Wild West, a state that's untouchable like Elliot Ness. The track hits your eardrum like a slug to your chest. Like a vest for your Jimmy in the city of sex. We in that sunshine state where the bomb ass him be. The state where you never find a dance floor empty and pimp speed. On a mission for them greens. Lean, mean, money making machines serving fiends. I've been in the game for 10 years making rap tunes. Ever since Honeys was wearing Sassoon, now it's 95 and they clock me and watch me diamond shining, looking like a Rob Liberace. It's all good, from Diego to the Bay. Your city is the bomb if your city making pay. Throw up a finger if you feel the same way. Straight putting it down for California, yeah. California. West Coast. Coast. Long Beach in the house, yeah. Oaktown, Oakland definitely in the house. Frisco, yeah. Frisco, and you know LA up in this. Pasadena, where you at? Yeah, Inglewood, always up to no good. Even Hollywood trying to get a piece, baby. Sacramento, where you at?
Big Sight, New, Hank, Coco, Big Church. Y'all know how this shit go, you know. All eyes on me. Motherfucker, G. Roll up in the club and shit. All eyes on me. All eyes on me. You know what? I bet you got it twisted, you don't know who to trust. So many player-hating niggas trying to sound like us. Say they ready for the funk, but I don't think they know it. Straight to the depths of hell is where them cowards going. Well, all you still down, nigga, holler when you see me. And let these devils be sorry for the day they finally freed me. I got a caravan of niggas every time we ride, hitting motherfuckers up when we pass by. Until I die, live the life of a boss player. Cause even when I'm high, fuck with me and get crossed later. The future's in my eyes. Cause all I want is cash and things. A 500, bands wanting flashy rings. Bitches pursue me like a dream. Been known to disappear before your eyes, it's like a dope thing. It seems my main thing was to be major. Paid the game sharper than the motherfucking razor blade. Save money, bring bitches, bitches bring lies. One nigga's getting jealous and motherfuckers die. Depend on me like the first and 15. They might hold me for a second, but these punks won't get me. We got 4 niggas and low riders and ski masks screaming thug like every time they pass. All eyes on me. Live the life of a thug nigga until the day I die. Live the life of a boss player. All eyes on me. All eyes on me. Live the life of a thug nigga until the day I die. Live the life of a boss player, cause even getting high.
Hey, to my nigga Pac. So much trouble in the world, nigga. Ain't nobody feel your pain. The world's changing every day, time's moving fast. My girl said I need a race, how long will she last? I'm caught between my woman and my pistol and my chips. Triple beam, got some smokers on, whistle as I dip. I'm lost in the land with no plan, living life flawless. Crime balls, contraband, let me toss this. Mediocre's got a lot of nerve, let my bucket swerve. I'm taking off from the curb. The nervousness, neglect made me pack a tech. Devoted to serving this, my wet and paid checks. Like a kite satellite, nigga, I'm forever ballin'. It ain't right, parasites, triggers and fleas crawling. Sucker ducking, get busted, no emotion. My devotion is handling my business, nigga, and keep on coasting. Where you going, I've been there, came back, it's lonely, homie. Steady flowing against the grave, niggas still don't know me. It's about the money and this rap shit, this crap shit. It ain't funny, niggas don't even know how to act shit. What can I do, what can I say, is there another way? Plus it's gin all day, 24 parlay. My little homie G, can't you see I'm buster free? Niggas can't stand me, all eyes on me.
Live the life as a thug nigga until the day I die. Live the life as a boss player. All eyes on me. All eyes on me. Live the life as a thug nigga until the day I die. Live the life as a boss player. All eyes on me. The feds is watching, niggas plotting to get me. Will I survive, will I die? Come on, let's picture the possibility, giving me charges. Lawyers making a grip, I told the judge I was raised wrong, and that's why I blaze shit. Was hyper as a kid, old as a teenager. On my mobile calling big shots, on the scene major. Packing hundreds in my drawers, fuck the law. Bitches, I fuck with a passion, I'm living rough and raw. Catching cases at a fast rate, ballin' in the fast lane. Hustle till the morning, never stop until the cash came. Live my life as a thug nigga until the day I die. Live my life as a boss player, cause even getting high. These niggas got me tossing shit. I put the top down, now it's time to floss my shit. Keep your head up, nigga, make these motherfuckers suffer. Up in the bins, burning rubber. The money is mandatory, the hoes is for the stress. Cause criminal lifestyle, equipped with the bulletproof vest. Make sure your eyes is on the meal ticket. Get your money, motherfucker, let's get rich and real. Kick it, all eyes on me. Live the life as a thug nigga until the day I die. Live the life as a boss player. All eyes on me. All eyes on me. Live the life as a thug nigga until the day I die. Live my life as a boss player. All eyes on me.
All eyes on me. Pay attention, my niggas. See how that shit go? Nigga walk up in this motherfucker. He be like, ping. Collars, thug nigga. Till the day I die. Living like a bitches. Cause he been getting hot. Every motherfucking body. I got busted souls and police watching a nigga, you know? Living life as a thug nigga. Till the day I die. Living life as a false player. All eyes on me. It's like what they think, I'm walking around with some keys in my pocket or something. All eyes on me. They think I'm going back to jail. They really on that dope.
Fais le tour.
Non, panique le pas.
Moi je suis testé. Attends, nous ma bière. Un peu ta bière.
La bière.
Il est tombé de l'eau,